Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that red button right down there. Go over and click that notification button so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. So yes, today I'm so excited because I'm finally introducing to you guys my products, some of my products, and we'll go over some of my best sellers, and then we'll talk about my Halloween because it's getting ready to be Halloween coming up soon, which is one of my favorite times of the year to dress up and to get my themes all together. So I have a Halloween theme, and also I put together a custom set, a beauty and bath set for one of my customers, and I decided to put one together for you guys. So yes, this video will be a giveaway video. You guys, you know I said I was going to come with it, so I said I would do it all in one, and at the end of this video, go ahead and open it up and do a giveaway. So first, let's go into some of my products so that way you can see why I decided to start this business and why I decided to do this. Because I I make soaps. I learned how to make soaps back in high school, and because of my skin type, I have to be very careful for what types of soaps and things I use on my skin. Before makeup has evolved because now I can use more brands and it doesn't break me out. So kudos to makeup, but skincare, not so much. Different soaps and different things they put in there, it always irritates my sense. That's where this starts from. So let me start. I'm gonna go over a few of my best sellers. The soap, this amazing soap. This is the Black Deep Cleaning Facial Soap, and you see the label there. This is my 4 ounces. This cleans your skin, detoxify it, clears everything. As you can see, if you're looking at my skin has cleared up so well. You can see how my makeup just glides on very lightly. I don't have to use a full double the foundation to cover up a lot of spots and things because my skin is clearing clearly. So this bar is absolutely been working. I've been using this when I've been putting together different remedies, but this one actually works for me. I had a little pimple growing there, and in 2 days that baby was gone. So these are amazing. I sell these for $5. You can contact me or click below to my Etsy shop. This will be there. Or follow me on my social media, Tori's Beauty World, and you can just respond to one of those posts. So yes, this is well worth the money. I wouldn't bring you nothing if it wasn't to that point. So I've been working, I've been working for about a good 6 months to a year to come up with this formula. And yeah, this is my facial bar. I'll be coming up with more facial bars just because I do think I like the bars better than I like the cleanser creams, because the bars last longer. And this bar, I still have mine, and I'm just getting to the rows disappearing, and it's been over 3 weeks. See how cute that design is? A girl had to go in with the cute design. And this has been going on for like 3 weeks already, and I haven't even put a dent in it. So it's gonna last you a pretty long time. I would say at least 2 to 3 months, and you use it twice a day, morning and night. I'm excited about that one. Your girl's skin is like flawless, and it took work to get to this point, but I'm finally there. All right, let's go to my next one. This is the Deep Cleaning Moisturizing Soap. So this is for your body. This is similar to the face. The face has a little more detail for it, but the body one is similar to it. It actually cleans really well, and if you have like breakouts on your skin, this helps for that as well. You can use this for your face as well, because I stay pure to the simplifying of these to make them detoxifying for your skin. So this is my black soap, and that one's for the body. This one is for your face. Yes. So here it is, really cute design with the rose in it, and then the bar is just a regular bar. Yeah. And that's the black soap, and that's been selling out like crazy. And the big bars, these are $6. 6 depends on the weight. Now, if it's 5 ounces, it's $6. If it's 6 ounces, it's $7. And I tried to come the best price for you guys. This soap is very expensive, so I wanted to be fair with my pricing, and yeah. And here's my favorite bar. Oh, This is my lavender moisturizing bar. You guys, this moisturizes your skin. I infuse this with lavender buds. So this really helps calm you, keep your skin very clean, very pretty. Look how gorgeous that looks. And this is my Lavender Love moisturizing bar. These range for $7. Anything with the buds or colors, beautiful. This really takes care of your skin really good. Here, this is my pumpkin spice moisturizing soap. So this is infused with pumpkin pie spice. I stuck straight to this. Look how gorgeous that look. The spices in this are good. And I use this one. This is my soap. Soap I make for me is my passion fruit soap. This is moisturizer, and you can see and it's infused with passion and fruit. So this is what I use, and it really takes care of my skin because I love, you know, fruity and passion. Look at my personality. And then I use the bar for my face. Yes, that's for the soap. Let's get into everybody's favorite. What they're waiting for is bath bombs. So this is my lavender bath bomb, and girl, you see my logo there, Toys Beauty World. Yes, your girl has logo. Yeah, I'm there. I'm getting there. And this is $6. Anything that's mixed colors will be $6. Solid colors are $5. This is the lavender infused with the lavender buds. These range for $7 to $8. This is the small one, so it's $7, and then the large ones are $8. Design ones that I absolutely love. This is my bath bomb. This is what I call my Bliss collection, and this is infused. You see on the top where we have red, yellow, and blue, and you put this in your tub and you soak away. It's like heaven. This is the strawberry one. Yeah, for the little girls as well. So my 4, 5 and up, these are really good for the younger girl, and these are $4. 8 with the 3 colors. These are 8, and these are 5. Yes, this is the one I love. Lavender and this, yeah, so much. This is my best sellers, like they sell out. These are my massage lotion bars. This one is filled with coconut, and this one is, yeah, these are filled with coconut, as you can see there. And I have my bar here, and this is the one I use. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how I use this, and it is so fully, I'm going to show you. Just rub it on your skin. You just rub it in really good. And these are good for your dry skin. I wash my hands all the time, so yes, it's really good for that. And as you can look at that, you see how moisturizing that is? Look at that. Yes, my hands was not moisturizing until I put that on there. You see? Look at that. So yes, you know, these moisturizing, I have the large ones. They run for $15, and that'll last you a pretty long time. I've been using this one for maybe a week, and it's still pretty good. I just rub it like I just rubbed it. I have it in a little container. I have this one. The one, I've been killing this one. Look how small this one is. This is the one I keep in my purse. This is filled with lavender. I wanted to kind of try this one as well because people rave about it. And then the large ones are $15 and the medium ones are $10. So, but look at my skin. Look how moisturizing that is. Look at that. Yeah, you see? Look at my hands. There we go. So that's why I love it. No need to explain this one. This is the bath soak. Like I said, I infuse some of this in my bath bombs as well. But here are some that I put together. People like these. They throw them in the water with their bath soak. Lip balms. So these are 2 of my lip balms. This is the orange spice, which smells just like oranges. Using this one. And it's infused with lemonade. And as you can see, I can show you. Yeah, you see how that it comes off really, really smooth on your lips. And so how I use lip balm is it keeps my lips soft. And what I do is when I finish washing my face, moisturizing, I put lip balm on my lips before I apply my makeup. I put my lip balm first. Then I apply my moisturizer and primer. And I let the lip balm sit in my lips. So that way when I wear matte lipsticks, like today, so it doesn't clamp up and show all of that stuff. It goes on very smooth and it makes your lips soft. And there it is. So that's some of my best sellers. And the lip balms go for $3.50. They are infused with goodness. So check out my Etsy shop or go on to, and I will link the link to my Etsy shop. And then you can also follow me on my social media, Beauty World. And that way it tells you all of my products and everything that I post, and then that way you can see it. I wanted to come and give you a first hand of everything that I'm going through and show you. This is the Witch's Guide, Lotion and Poison. Look at that. And then what I put together was a quick little bag. I have a soap. So this is my pumpkin spice soap. And the cute bat. You could get the bat or you can get the pumpkin. This is the bat, and then I have a pumpkin here. So you can choose. You get a black bath bomb, which sticking with the, and look at the glitter in that beautiful thing. Yes. So you get a bath bomb. You get bath bomb bones, which is broken up in bones. You get a deep cleaning, moisturizing face, and this skeleton head, and that will last you a good month. And this is in the bone. Both of these are facial bars. You can use them for face or body, which whatever you prefer. And you get a bag of bath soap and honey. This lovely scent of bath soap. This is Twilight, and it smells just like Twilight. I mean, it smells amazing. And this is your bath soap. Lanta candle, which is in the pumpkin. I put this together and put my tea light candle inside of it. The baskets I have set together for Halloween. So you get all of the goodness inside and your pumpkin. Like 4 of those sets, but I'm going to customize them differently for each person. Actually, buy the bat or the pumpkin. I made extra of these so you can buy those as well. Follow me on my social media. Go ahead and look at my products and buy and purchase this holiday season, so you can customize the set, or you can let me know what you want and I can send you something that's customized. So stay tuned for the next video that will be coming up, and that one will be a giveaway. Yay. So part 2 will be through soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.